Hi, what's up everyone? This is Private Looney here, and today we will go into credit loans. Okay, the last video I actually talked about credit card scores and all these things, how you're gonna gain back from all this cashback and stuff. I do know that a lot of people are telling me like credit card is a bad thing, I got into a lot of debts, I got into a lot of loans. That's why I'm here speaking again. Okay, credit card is not the only way you are able to increase your credit score. There are other ways. I also have another videos on that. You can also go and check them out. Okay, I think I'm gonna pop it here. All these videos that I'm doing is to really share with you guys that credit card is something that is really powerful. And if you have no discipline, if you can't tell yourself to do 10 push-ups every single day, don't get a credit card. Reason being is because you need to be really decisive and you got to really be responsible for all these things. When you don't do things like that, you are going to overspend. And like I said in the other video, the tendency of overspending is higher than using debit or other card that you are going to use when you are going to shop. Because you will spend whatever money and it is not reflected directly on your bank account. You got to go to your bank account, pay your credit card bills. It is just like using a mobile phone and you're going to pay the bill monthly. If you can't pay the bill monthly, don't get a credit card. Credit card is not the only way to increase credit score. There is other ways. Like I said, there is other ways. You can always Google it, you can always find it, or you can watch more of my video. Alright? Like and subscribe to my video, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to pump up all this information to help you guys. Not to actually sell you something, but I want to actually come up with all this information to help you guys have a better life, have a better control in your finance management. For me, I like to do my own finance management. Reason being is because I don't like to buy overpriced things. It's just precisely like that. I went into e-commerce, I come out, I do inventory checking, I do a lot of things. In my life, I got to do a lot of crazy stuff. And I'm really appreciative of the people around me that taught me all these things. By knowing money, by knowing credit, by knowing futures money and present money, I am able to do better calculation on my spending. I know what can I do when I have not enough money. I know what I'm able to live on. I don't live on a lot of money. My daily budget is just $15 and I can just spend the whole entire month on that. So what I want to do is actually to really educate you guys with this financial knowledge so you guys know. Alright? Credit card is not the only way that you are able to go out there for the credit score. You can also report your monthly payment. For example, your mobile bills, for example, your rental bills. All these things can be reflected or reported to the bank to increase your credit score, to let them know that you are actively paying your bills, to let them know that you are always on time, to let them know that you are trustworthy, and to let them know that you are financial responsibility. All these things will increase your credit score. The reason why credit card is so much easier and so much faster is because credit card is owned by the bank, and whatever transaction that you have done, whatever time that you have paid, it is all reflected on the bank. And that is why it is so much easier and so much faster when you are actually paying to the bank. So they can actually keep a clean record. Whatever they need to do, they can just reflect on the credit card bills and everything is there. So that is the only reason why credit card is a much faster way, because the bank can track whatever that they want, whatever spending that you have done, and they are able to get all the information from you. Where you spend, what you buy, where are you paying, how are you paying, what time, when. All these things, they are all able to track. So that is why credit card is much faster than other payment method. But there is still other ways to get them. You don't really need the credit card to get credit score or get loan. You can always report your own monthly payment to the bills. You can always report your monthly electricity bill. You can also report your bill, your phone bill, your rental bills and all these things. All these things will benefit you in credit score. Alright, my name is Private Looney. There will be an animation running. Do watch the animation. Please book on the book on what real estate is. It's going to offer you basic information. What I'm going to do is to share with you the basic information on what I have done when I am figuring out real estate. Because always everyone out there in this new generation, we will want to go out there and buy a property of our own. Even if we have to go and take mortgage, we have to take loan, we will buy a property of our own. And then I happen to go out there to find all this information, and all those crazy guru they are trying to ask me to pay $5,000 to get into their group. That is too much for me. I'm going to pay $10,000 to buy a property with mortgage, and I'm going to pay half of it for a course that I don't even know whether it's going to succeed or not. You can tell me whatever bullshit, you can show me whatever feedback that you have on your students, but I don't want to pay this kind of money. I don't need them. I'm not investing. I'm not doing anything. I just want to buy a property. I just want to buy one property for me to stay in there, be happy for my rest of my life. I can come back home, sit down on the floor, watch TV. You know, I don't even need a sofa. I just need that. It's just basic information. And I couldn't find one. Therefore, I come up with the book on what real estate is. I'm going to share with you guys how you're going to do local property inspection, how you're going to find your property, how you're going to use online to actually find property, how you're going to use offline to verify the property. What are the few things that you need to take note of? What are the few, dangerous things that when you are going into the house you will find, like moles and all these other pest infestations and stuff, how you're going to identify those things. If you need a video course, I also have that, but the video course is only on property inspection because I want to share with you guys what are the crucial information that when you enter the property, or before you enter the property, or even before you find the property, you are able to come to this video to find out how to actually find the better property and not spend more money to buy overpriced property. Also, avoid sleazy salesman and sleazy landlord. Also, sleazy agent. So my name is Reverend Looney. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.
Do you want to enjoy collecting monthly rental, but understanding real estate becomes very difficult and you don't know where to get started? Then, the book on what real estate is for you. The book covers the differences in real estate, real property, and the few differences in real estate's properties. Also information about real estate market and how mortgage will help you gain passive income. Please like and share and get your copy of the book now.